Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about beams in the 3D model space. So hot rolled steel beams, when input into the layout, now show the actual shape when sent straight through to the model space without needing to be detailed first. And we'll have a look at an example of this. And so this works for both the beams and posts. And so I'm going to add in a post over here at these 2 points, and I want to input towards the inside, and I'll say yes for both options. And so we've now got my beam, my post over here. And so I'll go over to my upper floor layout and add in my beams. And so I'll say I'm going to add in a PF channel. And the last one over here. And so now if I come into my model view and I run P3D just to bring in my beams that I've just added, we can now see, if I turn off my trusses and I zoom in here, we can now see that we're actually seeing the full shape, or the actual shape of the beams and columns placed. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.